Have you ever found yourself in a panic because your favorite app disappeared from your home screen? Here's the key. The answer lies within the familiar App Store app. First things first, open the App Store app. Tap on Profile Picture, located in top right corner. Here, tap the section entitled Apps. You'll see two tabs, All and Not on this iPhone. Tap on Not on this iPhone. Now that you've spotted your missing app, it's time for a happy reunion. Simply tap on the app icon. You'll see a cloud download icon next to it, signifying that you're about to bring the app back to life on your phone. Just like downloading any other app, the process will take a few moments. Once it's finished, you'll see an open button. Tap on that and voila, you are all set. There's a sneaky feature on iPhones called Offload and Used Apps. While helpful in saving storage space, this feature can sometimes remove apps from your phone without a notification. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.